10 Caswell Crescent, Redland Bay. Has the wow factor as soon as you walk through the front door. If space and family lifestyle is important to you, this one is perfect. Exceptional throughout, from the 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, master with ensuite, the stone bench tops, heaps of storage throughout, air-conditioned plantation shutters. It's impressive. Set on 767 square metre block of land with a double garage with access to this great backyard. Room for your kids to play and enjoy. This one is one you want to call home.